person who are participating in this webinar. With the support of Ministry of Ayush, the webinar is being organized successfully. This occasion is a remarkable milestone in the history of Ministry of Ayush. In coming together to this webinar to capitalize the strength of Ayush system of medicine, especially Siddha, for promoting and propagation of Ayush as well as Siddha system of medicine through population-based studies. With this sincere gratitude, I convey my thanks to our Honorable Ayush Minister as well as to Sri Vaidya Rajesh Kotechaji, who is the Secretary of Ministry of Ayush, for his proactive steps taken by him even before declaring COVID-19 as a pandemic by WHO. Ministry of Ayush and its dynamic leadership, they released Ayush advocacies for challenging arises due to COVID-19 infection on 6th of March 2020 itself. So you are all very well know that prevention is better than cure. As of now, there is no approved medicine for COVID-19 infection. So it will be good to take preventive measure mentioned Ayush system of medicine to improve our immune system, that is immunity of our own body. In this regard, our Honorable Prime Minister, while addressing the nation, he advised 7 steps for the citizen of India to fight against COVID infection. Among the 7 steps, the third one, he insisted the citizen of India to follow the Ayush advisories and measures to meet out our COVID-19 infection. So prior to this, our Honorable Minister, during interaction with stakeholders of Ayush, he advised them to create a scientific validation, that is, with the research activities, we have to bring up evidence-based immune boosters to the public to meet out this COVID-19. So with this considerable fact, Ministry of Ayush initiated 3 steps of studies to bring out an evidence-based immune boosters as well as medicine to meet out COVID-19 crisis. So one among this is observation of people's social pattern regarding the usage of immune boosters from Ayush system of medicine through Ayush Sanjeevani app. Ayush Sanjeevani app is a unique mobile application launched by Ayush Grid Ministry of Ayush. This app is used for documentation of health information and generation of usage of Ayush advocacies and measures. In this pandemic crisis, without data documentation, scientific forum will never accept our lot of work. So it's a mandate for each and every Ayush stakeholders, doctors to prove our medicine through documentation of data. Based on this, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India launched Ayush Sanjeevani app. Second thing, Ayush Sanjeevani app, we are having some objectives. So through this app, we are going to conduct observational cross-sectional study with a sample size of 5 million people. So we have to understand the objects to assess the acceptance and usage of Ayush advocacies and measures among the population and its impact in preventing COVID. This is the objective of our Ayush Sanjeevani app. So also we have to understand the outcome. What will be the outcome we are expected through this study? Percentage of population who agreed to be benefited from Ayush practices after using it. These things can be assessed by improvement in appetite, bowel habit, sleep among the Ayush users as compared to the non-users. These are all the expected outcome. So the data are collected, and based on this outcome, we are planned to Ministry of Health is planned to publish in standard peer-reviewed journals. This will surely ensure the strength of our Ayush system of medicine. So the second study Ministry of Ayush initiated prophylactic intervention with Ayush medicine in containment zone, isolation area, then people who are in high risk condition or as healthcare worker. This is one type of prophylactic studies. This is initiated by Ministry of Ayush. Then the third one is add-on therapy. This is intervention of Ayush system of medicine along with modern system of medicine. And this study is approved by Ministry of Ayush after scrutinizing the IEC approval, CTRI approval, and the consent letter which is issued by the concerned hospital or institute having IPD admitted with COVID positive patient. So to maintain all these studies in a proper way, in a genuine matter, Ministry of Ayush constitute interdisciplinary research task force committee. The responsibility of the committee is frame the activities and frame protocol for these studies. And also our protocols are also examined or scrutinized by DSMB also. These facilities are made by our Ministry of Ayush to bring up our study in a genuine manner or in a proper way. So I request all the Ayush stakeholders, particularly our Siddha system of medicine, to participate, felicitate, and help in propagation of this study among the masses. I request one and all to spread this message, to involve the entire Siddha fraternity as a volunteer towards documentation of our traditional wisdom in a proper way. Let us join together to propagate Ayush Sanjeevani app to break up the COVID-19 chain. Thank you. Thank you, Nanda.
डॉक्टर कनकवली जी धन्यवाद।
Yes, sir.
एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण पॉइंट जो आपने बताया, one very important point which you mentioned was the message from the Honorable Prime Minister to the Ayush community around 2 months back, that the community should focus on evidence-based